From Brian's Blues Kitchen, hello everybody and welcome. Today we're making lemon couscous, an extremely healthy and rich in protein. Couscous looks like a grain, but technically is a pasta made with semolina flour from durum wheat mixed with water. There are three types of couscous. The Moroccan, which is the smallest, Israeli or pearl couscous, which is about the size of a peppercorn, and the Lebanese, which is the largest of the three. For today's recipe, we're using the Moroccan couscous. Now, if you don't want the lemon flavor in it, you can switch things around. You can add a hint of cumin, mint, cilantro, any other spice that you desire. So let's get down to my kitchen and let's cook this amazing dish. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell for upcoming videos. And remember, health is everything. So stay active, eat healthy, and I will see you next time.